For this example, we are not solving the equation, we're just setting it up. What I like about these problems is that most of the time, each sentence is going to represent one of your equations. So what I'm doing is I'm going through and I'm highlighting each sentence, the first 3 sentences, in different colors. So I can kind of see where my different equations are going to come from. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at my yellow equation. The yellow equation says, I'm looking at the sentence, Jamie has $7.40 in nickels, dimes, and quarters. And then I also want to draw your attention down here to the last sentence where it says X represents the number of nickels, Y represents the number of dimes, and Z represents the number of quarters. So anytime that you're given a sentence that has a dollar amount in it, you need to use some information that you already know about how much each of those coins is worth. So for our first sentence, I know that I'm going to be adding the number of nickels, the number of dimes, and the number of quarters, but I'm going to be, and that my total is $7.40. But what I need to do is put in how much each of those coins are worth. So a nickel is 5 cents, so that would be represented by 0.05. A dime is 10 cents, so that would be 0.10, and then a quarter is 0.25. So this is my first equation, and that goes with my first sentence. My next equation says she has a total of 45 coins. So that's just saying if you add up the number of coins that she has, it's going to give you 45. So that is just X plus Y plus Z equals 45. So the dollar amount always gets the amount that the coins are worth in the equation, and then if it gives you a total number of coins, it's just X plus Y plus Z. Now this third sentence is where things get a little bit tricky. It says the number of nickels is 3 less than 1/2 the number of quarters. So I'm going to go through and put in the variables that are represented here. So it says the number of nickels, and I know that the number of nickels is X. Is always means equals. And then I have this less than thing again. Remember that less than is going to switch the order. So even though it says 3 less than, I know that my equation is going to be something minus 3. So let me write this down. I have the number of nickels is, and then it's going to be something minus 3, and that something is half the number of quarters. The number of quarters is represented by Z. So it's going to be 1/2 Z and then minus 3. So now this is it. I don't have to do anything else. I have my system all set up. This would be my final answer.